Hello, and thank you for choosing to watch this learning session on BigHand Mobility. BigHand Mobility enables busy professionals to be productive no matter where they are. It allows users to dictate and send tasks into the BigHand workflow using their mobile device, with all the information required for assistants to pick up and process. The BigHand Mobility Suite comprises a variety of remote mobile working options. Users can use their smartphones, tablets, and email to dictate and submit tasks into a BigHand workflow. BigHand offers support for the major mobile platforms such as BlackBerry, iPhone, Android, and Windows Phone. Today I will be sharing BigHand Go on my iPhone. BigHand Go is a mobility application that gives you access to BigHand's digital dictation, speech recognition, and workflow technology from your iPhone or Android device. When a user launches the application, they'll be shown a window of drafts, outbox, work in progress, and completed. We feel it's beneficial to a user to have a dashboard of all of their work that they've either been drafting, sent out, or are waiting to come back. Additionally, we have a client mode screen and an approval mode that I'll be sharing with you shortly. In the client mode window, we give users the ability to profile their dictation prior to sending it off. This helps cut down on errors in keying on the back end and saves time ultimately in the document production review. Today I'll be working on the Bennett client, and you can see that all of the matters for Bennett are shown to me. We give you access to pull this information from your existing billing system. I'm going to select the Pall Mall matter, and then we also give you additional features such as profiling the document type. Today I'm going to make this my demo letter. If you're working from the client screen, this brings you instantly into the dictation window. If you didn't want to do it that way, you can also get to the dictation window from the main window screen where the folders are and launch via the plus sign. Let's go back and launch from the client mode and show a dictation being sent through to my assistant via speech recognition, so the assistant can then proof the text that comes back and complete my job through the workflow. Bear with me as I do a sample voice recording. To begin recording, push the red circle in the middle. Dear Miss Jones, new paragraph. We are pleased to report that the judgment rendered in your favor is final and all legal delays have expired with no further action being taken by opposing counsel, period. New paragraph. Sincerely, Sally Smith. I stopped the recording by pressing the blue square. If you want to rewind the entire way back to the beginning, you can either press the arrow with the bar on the left, or you can use your scrubbing button on the bottom portion of the screen. Simply do this. You take your finger and pull it the whole way back. And if you want to listen to it, you can press play at that point.
Dear Miss Jones, new paragraph. We are pleased to report.
We also offer an insert mode. Insert mode allows a user to insert voice where they believe they forgot something and they don't want to overwrite anything within the existing recording. In this example, I forgot to tell Sally, my assistant, a note that I want her to do before she drafts this letter. Sally, please file into Miss Jones. So now if I go the entire way back, take it off insert mode and press play.
Sally, please file into Miss Jones. Dear Miss Jones.
So now we can see that I've not overwritten the existing recording that I had. Additionally, users like the attach feature. Let's say you're professional, you're out meeting with a client, that client is new, they've given you a business card, maybe you've done some expenses that day with that client, you've taken them to lunch, you'd like to get the business card and the receipt back to your assistant, we give you the ability to attach things to your voice dictation. So if you press the paper clip at the bottom of your screen, it allows you to take a photo or open gallery to whatever you have existing on your phone. In this case, I'm going to take a picture of the business card and a receipt, use photo, and then I'll be sending that off with my dictation and my instructions to my assistant. To send it through the workflow, you hit the send button at the top. This will default to your existing workflow. Mine is always my assistant with speech recognition. Additionally, we allow you to do a priority. So whether you want it to be low, normal, high, in this case, due by, I'd like to choose today by 4 p.m. You also see that because we profiled this via the client name and matter number, that shows up, as well as the demo letter, which is the work type. At this point, I hit send. What that's doing in real time is sending over to my assistant, Sally, for review. If we go back to the main window, you'll notice now that in work in progress, that voice dictation that I sent is showing that it's due today by 4 p.m., that it's pending, and that it's been sent off to my assistant. Another capability of BigHand Go is the functionality of approvals. In-app approval feature lets you approve or reject work from your mobile or tablet device so that you're always able to progress your work as you're on the go. I'm going to take you to the approvals portion now, and you'll see that I actually have one that's been sent back from my assistant that needs approved. So earlier today I had sent off a voice dictation to Sally, and Sally proofed the text that came back and created the document for me that I asked her to within the voice dictation. She's now sent me that document back. It was attached, and I can take a look at it and make sure that everything I've told her to do is in there. If you accept it, all you have to do is hit the green check mark. If you wanted to make a comment, you're able to type something here. And in this instance, I approve. Once you hold down, it's then marked as approved. If I go back into my Windows folders again, I notice that my work in progress is all still there, and my approvals have now been out of my queue. In summary, BigHand Go allows you to record, edit, and track your recordings. Sync your work list to see live updates, see who's working on your dictation at any given time, total visibility to all that work. It also allows you to set custom priorities and workflows, review and approve and reject documents, and add notes. Dictations can be sent while in the application or when it's minimized. Track your team's workflow if configured that way. Create dictations against client matters. Additionally, your professionals are able to work on the go, helping your firm to meet client SLAs, streamline your document production process with built-in approval functionality, and ultimately link dictations to real client matters imported from your practice management system, saving your professionals time and ensuring data consistency and integrity. Thank you for joining the demo today. Have a great day.